think we should all get in the tent now.
Yeah. I don't think we should light a fire tonight, guys.
Right.
I mean, we haven't lit a fire for like 2 days. I don't think anything's happened.
I don't think anything will happen.
I haven't heard anything follow us though. But just to be safe, I think we should turn our lights off so we can't see them, or they can't see us.
Yeah.
Did you hear that? Can't see anything.
Until your coffin begins to leak.